Today, Temple Emanu-el is a Reform congregation, part of the Union for Reform Judaism, and we are proud to be the third largest Reform congregation in the United States. But that's a really big challenge for us. In order to fulfill our mission of making sure that we are a place of sacred encounter, we have to really work at being a small place and making sure people feel connected to each other and to God's world and to God's presence. T1V Story has really helped because it lets us tell the stories of people by having individual pages where each person really matters and counts and can tell their story as part of our larger historic Temple Emanu-el story.
What we felt for a long time was missing from our existing storytelling tools was a sense of completeness, a sense of accessibility, a sense of inclusion. So we really needed to bring our storytelling and our storytelling tools into the future. We worked very closely with T1V, and they were very creative in how they helped us accomplish our dreams.
One of the goals we had was to make the archives more visible in the congregation. T1V Story helped us do that, particularly through the impact map. We were able to showcase what schools are named after past congregants, the kinds of organizations that we've helped found, and highlight the impact that Temple has had, not only within the Jewish community, but within the Dallas community, national and international.
The unique feature that we utilized the most part of our project was the timeline module. The timeline module allowed us to really dive into decades worth of history, and because you can use multiple types of media content on it, it becomes a really immersive experience for everyone who gets to utilize it. And even we have people who contribute their stories, so it's really vast. I think the way that the story wall has helped engage people here at Temple is they really do come in and they connect and they explore, and I think it inspires like conversations and memories. There's different parts of our story wall that connect with all different people within our congregation, and because it's here and it's personal, it allows people to connect in ways you can't in other mediums.
This project has aligned with the goals of Temple Emanu-el. I think mainly in the area of community. Community is one of our 5 core values. The project has allowed us to broaden the concept of community. It has allowed people to come and see themselves as part of the story. So I think that we've added so much dimension to our storytelling and so much excitement, and we've really brought it to life through pictures and through the technology that we've been able to work with T1V to create.